Hello students, this is the third problem under formation of Y-bus using singular transformation method of module 1. The third problem, it is given like this: an oriented graph of a 4-bus power system is shown in figure. Determine the bus admittance matrix Y-bus using singular transformation method. Element numbers and self-impedance of the elements are marked on the diagram in per unit. Neglect the mutual coupling. So, we are going to neglect the mutual coupling. So, directly oriented graph is given. So, this is question paper asked question. In recent question paper, this question was asked. So, let us take the oriented graph first. Okay. So, oriented graph already we have assigned directions. Okay, and we have to take number of elements and number of nodes. Okay. Here column has number of elements and row has number of nodes. Okay, so take first element oriented to second and first node. Okay, oriented to first and second node, not oriented to third node, not oriented to fourth node. Take it as 0, but it is away from 1, so take it as +1, towards 2, so it has to be -1. Next, second element which is oriented to 1 and 3, oriented to 1 and 3, away from 1, so positive, towards 3, so it has to be minus. Next, third element which is oriented to 2 and 4, okay, and not oriented to 1 and 3, okay, which is away from 2 towards 4, okay, towards 4, it has to be -1. Fourth element, it is between, it is a link which is connected between 1 and 4, okay, and not oriented to 2, not oriented to 3, okay, and which is away from 1, okay, and towards 4, so it has to be -1. Now from A cap we are going to get matrix A. What we do? We neglect column corresponding to the reference node. This is a reference node we have. We are going to neglect column corresponding to the reference node. Okay. So, A is equal to -1, 0, 0, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, -1. From matrix A, we are going to get matrix A transpose. Okay, matrix A transpose. A transpose, the column becomes row here, -1, 0, 1, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0. Third column becomes third row, 0, 0, -1, -1. Okay, and we want matrix Y. Okay, we want matrix Y. So, Y is equal to, okay, this is a self admittance matrix. Okay, in order to get Y, we need Z. Okay, inverse of Z is Y. Okay, we want Z. So, matrix Z, which is given by, here it is given, self impedance of the elements are given here. Okay, so these are the self impedances. In the problem it is mentioned, it is J.2 and J.25 here, and J.5, this one is J.5 and J.1. Okay, so Z, which is self impedance, Z11 is equal to J.5, 0.25, okay, 0, 0, 0, because it has only self impedances. Okay. Next, Z22, it is J.1, okay, off diagonal elements will be 0, and Z33, which is J.2, okay, Z44, which is J.5, J.5. here Y is matrix Y is self admittance matrix, which is minus J4 0 0 0 0 minus J10 0 0 0 0 minus J5 0 0 0 0 minus J2. This is a self admittance matrix or diagonal matrix, and here Y bus is equal to A transpose Y A. Y bus is equal to A transpose is minus 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and Y matrix write as it is minus J4 0 0 0 0 minus J10 0 0 0 0 minus J5 0 0 0 0 minus J2. Okay, next third matrix A, it is minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, so what we have to do, first column has to be multiplied with first row has to be multiplied with first column. So the first element would be plus J4, okay, and the plus J4 will be added with 0 because 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Okay, next first row and second column, okay, we are going to get 0 because minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into minus J10 it is 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Next first row with third column, okay, third column it would be minus J5. First row with fourth column it is 0. Second row with first column it is 0. Second row with second column minus 1 into minus J10 it would be plus J10 will be added with 0. So it is plus J10 only. Next second row with third column it is 0. Second row with fourth column 0. Last row with first column it is 0. Last row with second column it is 0. Last row with third column it is plus J5 will be added with the 0. So it would be plus J5. Last row with last column it is plus J2, okay, into minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay, now you take first row and first column, okay, 4j into minus 1, okay, and 5j into plus 1, minus 5j into plus 1, it would be 9j or j9, j9. Okay, next first row with second column it is 0. First row with third column it is j4 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, minus j5 into minus 1 it is minus j5 plus j5 plus j5, okay, and other elements are 0, so it will be added with 0, so it would be plus j5 only. Next second row with the first column it is 0. Second row with the second column, okay, it is plus j10 multiplied with the minus 1, so it is minus J10. Okay, it is minus J10. Next, second row with third column. Okay, so it is 0. Okay, and third row with first column, 0 into minus 1 0, 0 into 0 0, plus J5 into 1, it is plus J5. Okay, and third row with third column, minus J5 plus minus J2, so it is minus J7, and third row with second column, it is 0. Okay, this is the matrix we are going to get. This is a Y bus matrix. Okay, we got from the problem by solving problem number